After 4 years of immersing ourselves in the Bestseller Experiment podcast, with over 280 episodes, 500,000 listens, in-depth interviews, deep dives with best-selling authors who've collectively sold over 500 million books, hundreds of emails and messages and book dedications from our inspired writers, over 1,000 writers who have penned millions of words in our writing challenge, 2 movies, book deals, and our own best-selling book.
And the BXP team, an inspiring community of 200 plus authors, many of whom have gone on to win major awards and become bestsellers. But now we're taking it to the next level. For the last 12 months, we've been secretly building something very special. And today we are so excited to announce that on September the 1st, we are launching the Bestseller Academy.
Yes, the Bestseller Academy, but who is it for? Do you struggle to find the time and discipline to write? Do you struggle to find space to focus?
Do you question whether your writing is any good?
Do you find it easy to start a book but impossible to finish?
Do you not have the time to spend 4 years at college building a 6-figure debt? Or spending thousands on travel and accommodation for an intensive weekend conference?
Do you need feedback and guidance? Do you often find yourself stuck in your head with no one to share how you feel about your writing?
Are you frustrated with the lack of structure and trawling the net for writing resources and random videos?
Are you lacking mentors and peers that encourage, motivate, and inspire you to write and keep writing?
And yet, you keep getting great ideas.
And you've never given up on your dream of becoming a best-selling writer.
And every time you read a great book, see an amazing film or TV show, the spark comes alive again, and you ask yourself the question, what if?
Yes, what if there was an exclusive writing academy where you were encouraged to dream big? It's called the Bestseller Academy. Here's just a taster.
A step-by-step writer's roadmap that guides you, but meets you on your unique journey with masterclasses to help you every step of the way.
We have the most comprehensive and deep writing resource that we believe exists on the planet, with hundreds of hours of expert advice. We've curated and designed a massive audio library search engine of expert advice. You want to learn how different million-selling authors plot their stories? You need help on writer's block, procrastination, rewriting, editing, drafts, productivity, or any area you're currently struggling with or want to focus on. The advice will now be right at your fingertips.
Writing coaching that motivates you, gives you pinpoint focus, and guides you to set goals that get results.
You can get feedback on your writing, story ideas, covers, blurbs, a place to find writing partners, accountability partners, and beta readers.
An accountability that prevents procrastination and maximizes your productivity, keeping your writing dreams always moving forward, no matter how busy your life.
This is the most inspiring, inclusive, and supportive writing community of people just like you.
The Bestseller Academy is for you if your dream is to become a full-time writer. It's a completely new approach to learning and writing. Some people spend 4 years or more getting a writing degree, but only graduate with one piece of paper, not a finished book. At the Bestseller Academy, we believe the most important words you write are the end. So your goal in the Academy is to complete at least one book and hopefully many, many more. So how do you apply? Well, the Bestseller Academy only has a limited number of places for our September 2020 intake. To apply, you need to get on the enrollment list. Applications and offers are on a first-come, first-served basis until spaces are filled. So for more information on dates and fees, please go to bestsellerexperiment.com/academy. That's bestsellerexperiment.com/academy.